Yeah, I think it's normal that everybody is a little bit moaning, and you never get the regulation satisfying everybody. So in that sense, I'm a little bit less critical on this, but I think we saw it now during this crisis. Maybe the regulations are more on the longer term, looking at the longer term developments, and maybe not always able to be flexible and to be adapted to crises like the one or the two we now went through. So in that sense, maybe we could all learn a little bit from our experience, and there have a more agile or flexible regulation being able to handle specific temporary situations. Yeah, I think sharing experience, sharing fears, expectations, and trying to support each other via such workshops is, of course, always intelligent and good. And you see that very often the perception aviation has outside is sometimes less good than what we really deliver. I just want to remind that we went from, during this crisis, from 10% of traffic now to what, to 86% again, and we did nevertheless rather well. And we assured that we had remote training, that the ATCOs could keep the licenses. So in that sense, I would say by sharing among specialists and also different actors, you can always improve, but you can also see that we handled this crisis until now rather well, and that with the support of the states, of the Commission, of EASA, of Eurocontrol, and all actors on board, we managed to support the situation and to support our customers.